Hi folks, this is Mark with Ultimate Motors. Today we're doing a walk around and overview of our 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan SXt with right at 49,998 miles, so right under 50,000 miles. Really very low mileage vehicle. Comes to you in a beautiful metallic gray with a light taupe interior. As you can see, she's extremely clean, body's in great condition, no dents, no dings, no rust. Part of our pre-sale inspection and service process, we did install 4 brand new tires on this vehicle. The handicap conversion package on this Dodge Grand Caravan is a power folding ramp Braunability package. It's one of the nicest packages out there. It does have the Braunability package with the kneeling, so the vehicle will lower a bit and for the ramp to when it opens and deploys. I'm going to go through that process with you here, show you how that works. Previous owner has added a aftermarket remote start, which is really nice to have on these vehicles. And also both sliding doors are power, and you can control the sliding door and the ramp with the factory remotes. So showing you the operation of that, you got the factory remote, and we're gonna double click for the side door to open. The Braunability ramp is going to deploy, and if you notice, the vehicle is going to kneel. It does have the kneeling option. Very nice, smooth operation. Allows the wheelchair to come up the ramp and get secured in. And same operation to close remotely with the fob. Nice, smooth operation. Same procedure can be done with the key fob on the non-ramp door. So double click. Okay. Allows you to come in. And same function, double click on the fob. Taking a look at the engine bay. This van is powered with a 3.6 liter 6-cylinder engine. Very, very clean engine compartment. Yeah, you have the ability to fold these seats down, and you have plenty of space for a passenger in the back and also a wheelchair. You do have a power liftgate. Again, both side sliding doors are power operated, so you just pull back. Turn the light on these cars real quick. Real nice seating back area, very clean seats. You do have climate control for the rear passengers. And also on both sides of the doors, you do have the option to close the doors from inside, both the wheelchair ramp door and also this door. And this will be the deploying of the wheelchair sliding door. So we're gonna go ahead and click it and watch the operation from inside. Very nice. Also, coming back in. You have all your standard power options, power side view mirrors, power windows, power door locks. And these buttons is for the venting of the rear side window will vent out. Very, very clean seats, no tears, no blemishes. Again, this vehicle, considering its age, it's been kept very, very nice. No odors. 49,989 mileage. Cranking up the car. Let's close the door. You have cruise control options here on the steering wheel. You can change the information that you're seeing on here. So you do have a digital speedometer, also temperature. Climate control. You have climate control for both passenger, driver, and rear controls. This is your also what we consider your master switch for the side entry with the ramp. You know, normally as the driver behind the seat, you'll be able to deploy that. Previous owner also added an updated sound system which gives you Bluetooth audio, Bluetooth phone, and it's a nice JVC sound system. Also still does have a CD slot. You can also control your doors and your lift gate from the back area. So you have, you know, multiple locations where you can access how to open and close these doors. Power seats. This vehicle is currently running, very quiet, smooth sounding engine. No excessive exhaust. Just a very, very clean and low mileage van. Folks, this was an overview of our 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan SXt with a Braunability powerful ramp with the kneeling option. Hope you enjoyed this video, and please contact us with any questions. Thank you.